Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy webinar YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 23rd of March 2023. Well, I am a Dukas Copy's trading community member. Do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. Therefore, whatever I say here in this live stream, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. All the opinion or the trading ideas that I am going to give in this webinar are of my own. In next 1 hour or so, we are going to discuss the price action, and only price action. Believe me, most of the time we will be only discussing the price action, and will not take into account any fundamentals, because we know that already all the information is already priced into the chart. So we'll only follow the charts for the analysis purpose. And during this webinar, we will only be using candlestick charts because they give us maximum information, and by using those candlesticks, we will try to identify the key levels for all the pairs that we see, and we'll try to see how we can use those key levels in our trading. If you are new to the technical analysis, I would request you to go to this channel's home page, go to the playlist section, and look for the playlist. Two playlists I have created earlier. One is profitable candlestick pattern, and the other one is profitable chart patterns. These two playlists, if you go through them, you will understand what I am talking about here in this program, because most of the time I am talking about the patterns that are being formed. Also, at the end of the session, I'll be answering the questions from the viewers. So please ask your questions in the chat section while I'm live, and I will try to answer you as and when the time permits. Lastly, everything that I say in this live stream is only to enhance your knowledge, to make you a better trader. Please do your own research. This, whatever I'm saying, is not a direct trading advice. I'm not authorized to give you any advice. So please do your own research before you put your money on the line, because it is your hard-earned money. Do not put it on the line just because I am saying so. Okay, you want to do it, that is your choice, but I am not advising you directly to put your money on the line. Okay, you have to do your own research before doing that. Now, with this said, let me take you quickly through the risk disclaimer. This is government required risk disclaimer, and then we hop onto the charts directly. So this is what we talk about here every day, the dollar index. Let me take you through this small tour. Yesterday we mentioned that since the price has closed below this area now, it will be very difficult for the price to go beyond 102.96, and the high that the price has made is 102.96. After that, the price is headed towards 101.35. We have this level based on these lows previously, and if that is compromised, or if we say that if this low is taken out, for say even breached, then 100.65 will be exposed in this market. Now, whatever is the reason why the dollar is falling, that is immaterial, because we had this hint that the price will go beyond this level. I mean, below 102.37, below 101.3. We had these hints when this level breached here, this low, which was around 103.02. So when this was breached, we were looking for a lower high to be formed, and this formed right here around 103.12, and thereafter it made a lower low, and then again it made a lower high at around 102.96, which is here, and then it has given now a lower low here. We are again expecting a lower high because we are expecting 101.35 to be achieved in this market. I hope all this, whatever I am talking about here, makes some sense to you. If that makes you a good sense, let me know in the chat by giving me that thumbs up. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart, guys. if you switch to the daily, you will have a very clear image of what is going to happen next. We are targeting 101.35 on the downside. Later on, we will be targeting 100.65, provided this 101.35 is taken down. All right. On the upside, now I am expecting 102.37, this level, to act as the first resistance that the price will have if for some reason it starts rising from here. Okay, let me take to the you to the euro. Euro yesterday actually went sorry, not yesterday, yeah, yesterday went much higher after the FOMC reports or whatever was the news available late at night. I don't know, but there was some news which was relevant to US dollar, and that's why the euro went higher maybe. But whatever is the reason, guys, whatever is the reason, our first target is 1.0936. if you remember. Do you remember? This is our first target, and this ellipse here is for some reason. If you remember, this is a zone of resistance. The price was going to get rejected if it goes to 1.0936, because as per our analysis, the price is supposed to fall from here, and we said that okay, even if we want to buy, this market above 1.1032, because this is the high that the price had created last time. Till the time the price is trading below this, I will not be very happy to buy it, although the price is in an uptrend. Okay, it has not breached through this low, so it is still in an uptrend if you look at these swings like this. But if you look at the smaller swings like this, then the price entered the market structure broke here at the breach of this low here, 1.0801. okay, for short term, the price entered the sell, and here after this breach, it has again entered a buy mode, or you can say the market structure has changed to buy, because till the time the price does not breach this high or doesn't breach this low, it is still a, you can say, consolidation, right? So we need a close above 1.1032 area. But we also know that 1.0936 is the immediate resistance for the price. And on the downside, now we have a support at around 1.0801 area. This is what about the euro. Let me take you through the pound here. Okay, here yesterday there was so you see, yesterday there was a, what is this called, regular bearish divergence. There was a bearish divergence. The price made a high, but the RSI failed to make a new high. So there was some consolidation, or you say some pullback for like around 8 hours, and later on it made another high which failed to hold above 1.2312 and came back again to 1.2262. so price was like finding a lot of resistance here in this zone, and even today the price is finding a huge resistance there on 23rd also. So yes, because the RSI is not helping, or you can say that the broader market sentiment is suggesting that the pound is not going to go higher than the US dollar here. And even if the news driven market is able to take the pound higher from here, I expect it to meet the resistance at around 1.2430. Now this is just 100 pips from here. Look at the price action earlier. If you look at this price action, you will know that this high here is a very good level of resistance. So if the price comes here again, I have a strong feeling that the price will get rejected and we can see 1.2312 once again. But does it mean that you have to sell this market here? Well, if you take this market structure as my as this a break of the market structure. This is lower, this is the high, this is the low, the price breached lower, so I should get cautious, and close to the highs I should be looking for the selling, right? So yes, in one sense I will be looking for the selling orders here, but the problem here is that the market is so bullish. I'm a bit hesitant to open short orders here, so I will watch what happens, and if this rising channel breaks for any reason to the downside, I'll be looking for selling opportunities. Or on the contrary, I can check 4-hourly chart as and when the market structure breaks on the 4-hourly. Maybe I'll be looking for sell entries close to this 1.2430, because that will be like a very small risk and big reward entry for me. So that is possible. Okay, but if you ask me about the key levels, now 1.2312, if the price closes higher than this, of course, or otherwise 1.2262 and 1.2430 to 1.2447 area is going to be resistance for the pound. Australian dollar, finally Australian dollar is trying to go higher here, well, but still it is trading in that area which I am not interested in. I have two reasons for not being interested in this one, although after a breakout the price is taking support here and is trying to go higher, but all this buying can still be clouded by the sellers if they enter here at around 0.6783. That is my fear in my mind, that if I enter a buy order here, only a single candle can vanish all my stops. So I'll be comfortable in buying the Australian dollar above 0.6783. Now from the intraday basis, 0.6728 is the first resistance, because the price has for some reason came down to 0.6728. This was supposed to act as a support for the price when the price comes from top to this level. Now you see the price breaks to higher than the previous highs but gets rejected, takes some support at around this channel's area, this rectangle's area, which I feel like it may get rejected and price may go back to 0.6665. Now this is just a consolidation area for me, like the price is going to get consolidated in this area as per my this thing. And 0.6783, if it breaches that area, then maybe I will be looking for buying entries in the Australian dollar. But till the time the price is converged or is trading within this yellow portion, I am not opening any trade. For me, 0.6728 is now going to be the resistance. 0.6665 is the first level of support that the price will get. New Zealand dollar, yeah, New Zealand dollar looks bullish. It has started trading higher highs and higher lows. This was our well, we have already yesterday told that New Zealand is looking for higher highs, because we have breached with this high, we have breached this high here. So if the high has been breached, we'll be cautious and we'll be looking for the higher lows, and this is what the higher low is now, because the price has seen higher high than this one. Now it is the established low, so the price can still continue towards 0.6364 area, and I am bullish on the New Zealand dollar now on. Okay, so the price is going to travel like this, as I have mentioned, and expect 0.6364 and later on 0.6537 to be achieved in this market. Also be cautious that from 6188 the price has gone all the way to 6280. Okay, and also notice that this rising trend line after the breach below, this will act as a resistance whenever the price meets this line. So let the price go beyond that and then let it come down to find this level as a support and then buy this market. Not right now. Okay, it is just now trading at the resistance, so this is not a good idea to buy it right now. USD/JPY, well, it has to go with the US dollar. There's no doubt about it. If in the broader market US dollar is going down, in fact yesterday there was a bearish engulfing which is pointing towards 129.80, which is the first target that we have marked on our chart. Later on the price can even go towards 127.21. well, that is a long thing to tell, but 129.80 is I think what we can achieve today or tomorrow maybe. Okay, so keep an eye on this one, this level. On the upside, 131.81 is what I'm expecting to act as a good resistance if the price goes up from here. That's all from the USD JPY, nothing much. In the USD CAD, yesterday the price went much higher, but was immediately rejected because of maybe the FOMC. I will show you that USD CAD was doing very nice yesterday. Okay, before this happened, boom, 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 boom. Even at the lower prices from here, you see the price is breaking below these lows, and still it is being bought back. So that means there is a possibility of price going higher. Even if the USD CAD has breached these levels, there are still buyers here, and they are coming in the high volumes. You see, okay, the volumes are rising with the lower prices, and in this candle only, I think there is a huge buying. If I switch to 1 hour, I will be more certain about that. Okay, you see that there was a huge volume of candle going down, and then there was a huge volume of candle going up. So yeah, to some extent, I think buying is taking place here. Now we on the 1 hour, the structure will be broken. If this high is broken, that is around 1.3685 is breached, then on the 1 hour the buyers will be in control. Then they will take control of 4 hour, and then they will take control of daily. Most probably this is what is going to happen, because this is support and the price is trying to show us a bullish pin bar. Let us see how the things unfold in this one. I think you can wait for the channel to be broken. Like when this 4-hourly channel breaks to the upside, you can get a better confirmation that the price is going to go up. Now, I do not want to sell this market, okay, because in the bigger time frame, that is in the daily, this market is in an uptrend. Till the time the price is trading above 1.3533, I will not be looking to short this market. Sorry. Talking about the USD CHF, USD CHF is also broken now. Well, guys, yesterday there was a buying in all currencies. So yes, US dollar was weak, and because of some reason, even today the Swiss franc is stronger than the US dollar, and the price is still going down. And the first level of support that I'm expecting in this market now, after a close below 0.9164, is 0.9070. On the high side, 9164 may be acting as a resistance now. Well, beyond that we have not marked the levels yet. Sorry about that. First, let us achieve these levels, and then we'll talk about that. All right, what about silver? Well, silver has taken the targets. Yesterday only we have mentioned that 23.12 is the target, and silver has already made a high of 23.16. Now from here, I am not expecting the silver to go beyond that, although you see that from this fall, if you start rising, you should get 24.54 minimum. Yeah, anybody can say that, right? But if you know about my experience in the market or my understanding of the market, I do not believe that the silver is going towards 24.54. And even if the silver is going to 24.54, this is not how it will go. This is not how it will go. I have a strong feeling now. I don't know why I say strong feeling, because I know somehow that this may be, at most, this may be the next trajectory for the silver, and we may get another buying opportunity around 22.58, and this may even extend to 22.01. but I don't want to take it to 22.01 because of the reason that if it goes to 22.01, then on the daily the market structure will break, because this is the recent low that the price has created, right? So if this low breaks, then I will not be looking for buying out, I will be looking for selling opportunities. So I don't want this level, this low, to be broken, so I am marking this now like this. So this is 22.13 is what I am expecting now to act as a huge support for the silver if the price has to extend itself from here to 24.54. all right, and I don't think that somebody will be buying this area here. 23.12 is a very lower level that we had targeted based on these lows earlier. But yes, all these lows, if you want to include, then the price can actually extend towards 23.40 also. But I will keep my call, that is 23.12 or 15 area, whatever. Okay, so for me this level is important, and from here the price can go back towards 22.13 area to find it as a fresh support and then extend towards 24.54. So silver is a buy as of now. Gold, what about gold? Well, gold is already going again towards 1998. 2070 is what we are expecting here. 2070 on the similar lines like 1998. This level has been a very good resistance, but seeing this buying pressure from here, did you know that yesterday we talked about 1937 to act as a good support and push the prices again back towards 1998 and 2007. This is how it happens. This is how it happened, guys. And if you know anything about the Fibonacci expansions, then okay, not from here, but from here I want to take it, but still I will take it. Okay, I will show you. This is not to be taken from here, this is to be taken from here. So this is the first resistance that you will observe, 2010, later on 2058, but 2135 is where you can I think you can achieve 2135 also. And if you mark it with the previous levels, you have never seen these levels, like beyond 2070 you have never seen gold. So do you think that if the gold extends beyond 2070, then it can reach 2135 in no time? Well, I have now given my projections on the chart, so let us see how the things unfold in the future. Stay with me till that time and we will witness it together. What about Brent? Is it going down or is it going up? Well, I told you that this is a level 77.58. Maybe this is the level from where we can see some down move. Why did I say so? Let me check on the daily. All right. So this is why I have told you this is because of this breach in the market structure. And this is break in the market structure. See, the market structure was down. As soon as this high was taken out, the market structure became positive. Now, if the market structure has become positive, I'll be looking for the price to get rejected somewhere here, give me some pullback, and then get bought back again at these highs, right? So that's why this area here I have made it like this. So maybe when the price comes like this to the downside, it will get supported and push back towards 80.39. This is what I'm expecting in this market. Nothing new, nothing much to talk about. What you can do is on the 4 hour you can actually draw now a pullback, something like this. Okay, something like this, maybe something like this you will see in this market, and then from here you can see a push towards 77.58, 75.88 and 80.39. Let us see how the things unfold in this also in the future, but right now it is not a buying, it is looking for a buying opportunity close to 73 or maybe 74 area. USD jar, I'm a bearish in this one again. Why? Because just now, today in fact, it has breached the level of 18.0199. I did not want the price to breach this level, because once the price breaches this level I become a seller. So since the price has breached this level, at least for intraday, we can see a close above that, doesn't matter now. The price this only means that the price will pull back before a move lower. That's all. This is the only meaning of it. So from here the price can pull back higher and then break below, and then next target for us, well, I have mentioned it here, but we will have these two targets. These are small two targets. One is this and the little one is this. So these are the two supports that I will be looking for once the price starts moving below 18.0199. So after 18.0199, 7.6369 is what I will be looking for as support. All right. On the upside, now if the price starts going up from here, it will find some resistance at 18.4514. On the lower side, it will find support at 7.6369. That's all, guys, about the USD ZAR. Bitcoin is good. It is holding at 27,362. Now, Well, yesterday that was my support, 27,362, and the price is finding resistance today at the high of that thing. Okay, the price is finding resistance at 28,778. Now even one gentleman yesterday, I think Alice, he was saying that this is 28,700 is the resistance. Well, yes, this is the resistance, but the resistance is meant to be broken, right? Do you see the volumes in this particular candle here? These guys are not letting the price to go down. Yesterday the volumes were low, although the candle was red, but the volumes were low. Lesser people were ready to go out of the market. Now even the buyers are ready to push the prices beyond this 28,700, and if it happens today or tomorrow, 32,417 is not very far. Okay, maybe in a day or two it will be achieved, right guys? All right, Euro JPY. Euro JPY above 142.14. I am bullish on this one and expect the price to act as a very good support if you find it here. On the higher side, we have 145.56 as the resistance. On the lower side, we have 141.40 as the next level of support. The price may extend towards 141.40, but if it extends beyond that, I will not remain a buyer in this one. 138.82 is the recent low that the price has made. Pushing the price to that level is also not a good idea. Okay, right now on the daily, the price has made a lower low, lower high, lower low, and this is in the formation of a lower low here. So let us see if the channel type of structure this holds here. Like this, okay, something like this. Let us see if the price continues further down, but I am bullish on Euro JPY in the longer term. Okay, Euro GBP, well, this is good. It is trading within the range, small range of 0.8863 and 0.8823. I do not want to trade any range bound market, but I want to sell the euro against the Great British Pound somewhere around this region, that is 0.8893, 30 pips higher from today's high. I want to sell this market with the targets of 8721 in this market. Okay, why? Because the market structure is down in this one, and I'll be looking for a selling opportunity close to this level. So what we can do is we can actually set the price alerts. So whenever we get this alert triggered, we will know what we want. We will remember actually this is a selling opportunity. Okay guys, so USA 500, I am bearish on this one. From a long time I am bearish, and okay, I'm a bearish guy, and yesterday we have seen a bearish engulfing. Wow, that was a bearish engulfing on the daily. So if S&P 500 has a bearish engulfing, that means we are going down. Definitely we are going down, and now whenever we see a price rising up, we will be easily making out that yes, this is a selling opportunity, and this rising channel may provide some support to the price, but eventually it will drop down to 3809. Okay, 3809 is the first target. Thereafter we have I think 3809 is this, so I will just remove the width to the lower. Thereafter this, but before that these lows here may provide some support, and this low also. So 3809 is the first target for us to the downside. Later on we will see what is to be achieved next, but on the upside 4078 may provide resistance if the price rises from here. Okay guys, that's all for S&P 500, and Euro AUD is doing good. It has taken all the targets that we had thought about. In fact, if you remember, we were long from 1.5 to 57, and we were having target of 1.6218. Almost 1000 points is what we have achieved, like in the last 2 months. Yeah, it's like how many trading days? 48 trading days. Yes, so almost 2 months. Okay guys, Ethereum is finding it very difficult. Till yesterday it was finding it very difficult. No, even today it is finding it very difficult to go beyond this rising channel's resistance line. Believe me friends, once it is done, if the Ethereum is able to breach higher than this, then definitely 2028 will be acting as small resistance, and when it comes back and finds it a fresh support, this price will just skyrocket from here. Now that is what you call as opposite of dump, when the price goes to moon, right? So this is what I'm expecting in Ethereum. If it does not happen, if it does not break out of this rising channel, then the price can and will come back towards this rising channel support area. Okay, last thing of the day is the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. Now somebody who was trying to buy this market at 96.22 area, I think he's in a huge pain, because when you buy a selling market, this is what happens to you. You burn your hands, you blow your accounts, then you stressed and you say bad words about the market. So always try to trade only in the direction of the trend. Maintain your cool, maintain your calm, maintain your peace, patience, everything that you can think about for being normal. Okay, do not get very excited with these green candles like here. I will show you on the 4-hour. Loading data. So do not get excited with all these green candles, because you know at your levels you will get a rejection, and now we are expecting 94.63 in this market. So my dear friends, if you are new to this webinar, please consider subscribing. I hope you now know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. From my side, I have only one suggestion to you, to all the new traders and the old ones also. Please keep in mind to not risk more than 1% of your entire capital or entire equity on a single trade. Okay, and you should actually look for a potential profit of more than 3 times of whatever you are going to risk. Say if you are risking $1, you should have a potential of an outcome of $3 from that trade. If it is not so, do not enter that trade. You don't have to trade that. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. See you tomorrow, same time, same place, because we are doing this webinar every day at 16:30. You can share it with your friends so that they can also join and take an advantage in the markets. Also consider subscribing to my other YouTube channel, that is Bulls and Bears. I will be very happy to have you in my community. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.